Hello brother and sister. Today I will show one of my knife sharpener from Victorinox. This sharpener has been with me for more than 10 years and still going strong. Maybe you already see this in internet or having this, but for buying this is not a regret. As you can see, you can turn it and have the handle from its cover case. And behind this, it also have another knife sharpener with a V shape. This is how you sharpen your knife. Wet it with water first. So you won't have a too rough surface when you sharpen your knife. In here I use a knife from Victorinox too. This way how you sharpen your knife, with a slightly bending. And for either side also same. Slightly bend on the tip. I think that's all. And you can see the edge. You also can do sharpen this way. From Victorinox, still made in Germany. Nice item.